Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in Sbi Clerk Miss April 2025. So I will just read out the question. P and Q can complete the 3 by 2 times the work in 9 days. So first info they have given P and Q can complete the 3 by 2 amount of work in 9 days and are working the twice of efficiency. Means efficiency of R is just consider A. So it is working twice means 2x. If any amount is it is working twice of that. So R is working twice of efficiency. And P together can complete the work in 5 days. So R working twice at efficiency and P if they work they can complete the work in 5 days. So in the question they have given P and Q complete the 3 by 2 amount of work in 9 days, and first info they have given, and second they have given R working twice of efficiency. R is working twice of its efficiency and P uh, together they will complete the work in 5 days. So these two info given, and they have asked us to find the time taken by P, Q, and R working the twice of efficiency together to complete the 20% of the more work. So we need to find the uh, time taken by P, Q, and R working means R is working twice of efficiency together to complete 20% of the more work. So we need to find the if work is 1, so 20% more means 1.2 like that. Okay, so we will solve step by step. So initial they have given P and Q complete the 3 by 2 work in 9 days. So here three quantities they have given P, Q, R. So for P, 1 day work we will write 1 day work of P. We will write a small p. 1 day work of Q. We will write a small q. 1 day work of R will write as small r. So P and Q can complete the 3 by 2 amount of work in 9 days. So first they have info they have again P and Q complete work 3 by 2 work in 9 days. 9 days they have given. So P and Q complete 3 by 2 amount of work in 9 days. So in 1 day how much work they will do? So just we can do it in 3 by 2 work in 9 days. So in 1 day how much work? So by this we will solve question mark as it is 3 by 2 into 1 divided by 9. So this is the usually if 3 by 2 work in 9 days. So in 1 day how much? So question mark we will take as it is. Known quantity will come to here numerator and it will come to denominator. So this is the way. So 3 by 2 divided by 9. 3 by 2 means 1.5 divided by 9. So we can write it as, so 1.5 is 50 divided by 10. 15 divided by 10 by 9. So 15 by 90. So 1 by 6. So P and Q 3 by 2 amount of work in 9 days. So in 1 day how much work they will do? 1 day P and Q will do work of 1 by 6. So 1 day work of P is we have considered small p, and 1 day work of Q is a small q we have considered. So 1 by 6. So 1 day work of P and Q is 1 by 6. So we have denoted it as 1 day work of P small p and 1 day work of Q is small q. So it is 1 by 6. So in 1 day they do the work amount of work 1 by 6. So this is the okay. So P and Q does the 1 by 6. So next we will solve. Next info they have given P together. Okay. Next is R working twice of efficiency and P together can complete the work in 5 days. So R is twice of efficiency. Means twice means we will consider 2 into R because twice the efficiency. if in one day it will does the work hour, so twice means it will be 2 times r plus p. So p together does the work in 5 days. Okay, so it is 5 days, so we will consider it as 2 hour 5 days. Okay, so they uh, uh, are twice the efficiency, and P together can complete the work in 5 days. So one day means we just need to reverse this. So here we will consider small cat 1 by 5. So one rule is there. If just we consider if A does the work in 5 days. Okay, just one rule is there. A does the work in 5 days. So in one day it will be 1 by 5. So if A does work in 5 days, in one day it will be 1 by 5. So like this, so they have mentioned R working twice of efficiency, P together can complete the work in 5 days. So R twice the efficiency and P complete the work in 5 days. So in one day it will be 1 by 5. Since we have denoted here one day work of P is small p and one day work of R is R. So I have just denoted is by small. So it is total work they complete in 5 days. So in one day they will be 1 by 5. So up to here we have found. So in the question we have extrapolated given info. Next in they have asked up to here we have just extrapolated it in 5 days. So we need to find the time taken by P, Q and R twice are working twice of shift together to complete 20% of the more work. So next we have to find P, Q and R together 20% of the more work. So P, Q and R. So R means here 2 hour because they have mentioned here working twice of efficiency. So we need to figure time P, Q and R time to complete work to complete 20% more work. So we need to find PQ plus R, PQ plus 2R to complete 20% of the more work. So now we will solve here. So one formula is there, time equal to work upon rate. So this is formula. So let us consider work as 1. So 20% means it will be 1 by 2. So P plus Q plus R means how much time they will take to complete the 20% more work. So usually work will be considered as 1. So 20% more means it will be 1 by 2. So we need to find the time. Means in the question they have given, we need to find the time taken by P, Q and R working twice of efficiency together to complete 20% of the more work. So P, Q and 2R twice the efficiency to complete 20% of the more work. So work is 1, so 20% more means 1 by 2. So rate means here 1 day. So since we have found the 1 day, so for here it is small p we will denote, here small q and here 2r. So one day this is total work upon one day work. So we will find the how much time they will take to complete the whole work. So total work divided by one day works of p, q and 2r. 2r means since they have mentioned twice of the efficiency. So p plus q. So here 1 by 2 as it is, P plus Q we have found. So one day work of P and one day work of Q, their sum is we have found 1 by 6. This is one day work of P and Q. Capital P we have just denoted capital to one day work. Since we have denoted it as small p and small q. So P plus Q is 1 by 6 and value of 2r. So 2r we don't have directly, but from here we'll find the value of 2r. So 2r we can write 1 by 5 minus p. So 2r as it is, here plus p, here minus p. So p plus q is 1 by 6, 2r is 1 by 5 minus p. Okay, so up to here we have solved. So 1 by 2. So here we can cross multiply. 5 by 6. 6 into 5 is 30 by minus p. So 1 by 2. 5 by 6 is 11 by 30 minus p. So this is the time. Since here three quantities are given. So in equation p plus q and here r plus p. So all the three quantities are unknown here. So p value we will not be able to find. Since here p plus q they have given 1 by 6 and here 2r plus p is 1 by 5 they have given. Since three quantities are there, we are not able to find any of the quantities here by any method. So here p we don't have any value, so we will not be able to find. Since if two quantities are there, two equations are there, means usually there is one scenario. If one quantity means one equation, two quantity means two equation, three quantities means three equation. But here by any method we are not able to find. P plus q equal to, they have given 1 by 6 and 2r plus p equal to 1 by 5. By using these two equation we are not able to find either value of q, p or q or r. So all the three quantities are unknown. If two are there, we can find one of the value. Since any one of the value they have not given, so we will be not able to find value of p, q or r also. So p value we don't know. So exact time we cannot find. So here they have given the answers, but correct will be cannot be determined. Since value of p we don't know. So for this question, correct answer will be cannot be determined. So this is the way to solve the guys. Thank you.